How to add Samsung Wallet to lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. Now from the home screen, touch and hold. Then we go down and tap on Wallpaper and Style. From here, tap on the lock screen. Then we go down and tap on the left or the right shortcut. In here, if you tap on the left shortcut, then there will be a pop-up. In here, scroll down. Now by default, that shortcut will be set to a phone application. So you want to replace the phone application with wallet. So we scroll all the way down and tap on wallet. After that, tap on done. Then we go back to the lock screen. Whenever you would like to use wallet, simply swipe on it and wallet will be open for you to use. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.